got a little more in me. I got a little more in me. There was a time where I stopped educating myself. And one of the things that would have, when I stopped, I didn't realize how powerful I could have been more powerful right now. I never really, back when I came up with like, oh, I really want to be a speaker. I never said it, but I seen speakers. I was like, I want to do that. I was mentally sharp at the moment because I was doing everything that was required to be a good speaker, but I didn't have the credibility to get on stage. Because a lot of times, in order to get on stage, it requires results. What I love about this platform, and I'm using YouTube now, but one of the things that I'm grateful for is you are the gatekeeper. Now I will say this, yeah, there's the cancel culture of you having to watch what you say, and I've gotten strikes on YouTube, and I think about, damn, do I want to risk my whole career, etc., doing something that somebody could take away from me at the snap of a finger? Not having full context, not really giving a fuck about the process. Do I want to risk everything for that? But that's being fixed-minded, because now there's competition, now there's Rumble. There's other platforms that if you want to demonetize, if you want to take somebody off of a platform, you can easily go to another platform. Now, what I recommend is if you get into content creation, don't just have the content stored on that platform. You got to have these videos uploaded from a lacy hard drive or an external hard drive, so that if you're ever taken off of a platform and you start catching traction, you at least know the videos are lit. Now I have fucking thousands of videos that are crap, absolute crap. But to me, they're awesome because they led to this video right here. And if I could leave you with one thing today, guys, it's, I want you to remember this. Nobody's gonna believe in you until you believe in yourself. That may sound corny or cliche, but it's the absolute truth. If you don't believe in yourself, nobody will, guys. Maybe initially when you're young, or if somebody has a invested interest or a financial incentive to believe in you, because if they believe in you, you believe in yourself more, and they make money somehow on the back end by you winning, then yeah, you'll have somebody believe in you more. But all things being normal and equal, and assuming they don't have no incentive, financial incentive for you winning, nobody's gonna believe in you until you believe in yourself. So do what you gotta do, create the videos. At the very least, if what you get out of the videos that you create are self-confidence, if what you get out of these videos is you become a better version of yourself, then do it. If you never get one person watch any of your videos, but you become a better version of yourself in the day-to-day, then you're winning. Don't equate winning to the amount of watch hours that you have. You got this, bro.